Okay, so we're going to go back onto Schoology. I'm going to show you some different things that could pop up onto Schoology and how you can maneuver them. So you type in your email, you type in your password, you sign in. You're going to go to courses, and just a reminder, every morning go to homeroom first. Make sure that you've seen everything in there, nothing's new, and there's nothing new you need to complete. But I'm going to show you just in the reading folder just some things that you might see. So I'm clicking on August 10th through the 14th, that's next week. I click on Monday. Remember, anything blue and underlined you can click on, and I always do the directions first, and I keep everything in order, and you have to go in order and do everything it says. So the number one is watch a YouTube video about planets. So you're going to click the video, it's going to turn on, you're going to watch it. Then number two, watch the main idea review video. It's blue, underline, it says main idea review video. Click on it, push play, and you can watch that video. Now to go back, remember these are my tabs to go back. So I need to go back just one space. So I'm going to go back to Monday because that's where I'm at and where I need to finish my work. So now I'm going to do number 3. Do the main idea quiz, and then I wrote this is a grade. I will always tell you if it is a grade or if it's for a grade or not, and if it is not, you still have to do it, but I won't take a grade on it. So we're going to come down here, main idea and details quiz, click on it, and then you're going to take the quiz. So I'm going to pretend I took the quiz. I'm going to go back to Monday. And I'm going to double check, did I do all the directions? What's important is that you do 1 and 2 before you take the quiz, because these things are going to have all the information that you need to make a good grade on the quiz. If you skip around and do them out of order, then you might make a bad grade on your quiz, and you don't want that. So make sure you go in order and you do everything. Another example of what it could look like would be like this. So I have my directions. Number 1, read through the Module 1 pretest. Here it is. It's next. So I'm going to click on it. And at the top, this little speech bubble, if I click it, this little toolbar comes up on the side, and I can push play, and it's going to read me all the words.
Language Arts 3, being a team player. 1.00 Module 1 Pretest, Introduction to being a team player. A soccer team celebrates by raising their arms in a team cheer. Copyright, ECH player is a valuable part of the team. We all celebrate the success. 3 cheers for the team.
You can pause, you can stop. If you don't want it to read to you, you can read it yourself. You don't have to use that tool. But one thing you have to do is that you can use your scroll up or your scroll down buttons, or you can hold and click on the tool bar. It goes up and down. The scroll bar goes up and down. This little thing you can click on, it says Junior Astronaut Handbook, but it's for you to print. You are going to be getting these pages already printed out for you and given to you, so you don't need to click on it and print it out. So you're going to go all the way down, and once I get to the bottom, if you look up here, you're going to click the next arrow. So it's going to take you to the next page. You're going to read, or it can read to you if you push play. Go to the next page. If you look, it tells you how many pages you have. So you have 12 pages to read. Some things are going to be on here that you need to click on so that you get more information. So This is just telling you more information about context clues, more information about sounding out words, more information about breaking the word into smaller parts, and here's a little video that you'd listen to. So you just, and then down here, you're gonna, and you push play. Then we're at the bottom, we're gonna push next. Read what it says, and again, here's some things to click. So make sure that you're not skipping any of these bars that you need to click on because it's giving you more information and more things to do. And here's another one. So you cannot just click, 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 because at the end, if you take a quiz, you will not know the answers. So I'm going to pretend I went through the whole thing. I'm going to go back up here to Tuesday. And I did number 1. I read through the Module 1 pretest. Now I need to take the Module 1 pretest. And if you look, this is a quiz, but it is not for a grade because I did not write. It's for a grade. So, but you still have to do it and you still need to try your best. So I go and I take the quiz. When I'm done, I go back to Tuesday. I double checked myself. Did I do number 1? Yes. Did I do number 2? Yes. Did I skip around and do the quiz first? No. You need to do them in order. So I'm going to go back and show you one more thing you might see. This is a discussion. You can always tell because it has the little speech bubbles, like people are talking to each other, and so they're having a discussion. I'm going to click on it, Classroom Rules. It says, write one thing that is happening in the picture and write one rule the teacher could make to solve the problem. Now, if I couldn't read that, I'm going to go right here because Miss Joseph or Miss DeLauder did a video of them saying what is written. So if it can't be for everything, but for some things, there's going to be an audio recording that you can click on so you can hear what it says. And you're going to click View, and you're going to push Play. And you'll hear a teacher reading what we wrote down so that you, whenever you come down here, you know what it says and you know what to write about. So then you're going to write your answer and push Post. And that's it for this video.